Welcome to our presentation on digital businesses, where we will focus on Siemens and Ocado, each representing a different use of technologies related to digital business.
Siemens is a global powerhouse focused on the fields of electrification, automation, and digitalization. It's not only one of the world's largest manufacturers of energy-efficient, resource-saving products, but also a supplier of power generation and distribution services. Siemens plays a leading role in technology and market services. They generated 83 billion euros in revenue in 2018 and 6.1 billion euros in net revenue. They have about 379,000 workers as of September 30th, 2018. Siemens offers their products and services in different categories of technology, each belonging to a business division, which include divisions like building technologies, power and gas, smart infrastructure, digital factories, which we'll be focusing on. The digital factory provides products and system solutions used in manufacturing industries, complemented by data-driven services, which allow customers to leverage entire value chains, from product design and development to production and services. Their digital factory proposes a platform called MSIN0023, which links computers and physical infrastructure to the digital world. MSIN0023 is an open, cloud-based operating system for the industrial Internet of Things. MSIN0023 is based on the utilization of the technologies of IoT, cloud computing, and data, allowing companies, clients, and stakeholders to create and deliver virtual applications and digital services based on asset data such as inventory or field data. It can be used to forecast equipment failure, increase resource availability, or optimize product designs. The specific examples of its use are mentioned later in the presentation. MSIN0023 creates value for the use of IoT data from already linked devices and resources on the platform. It allows users to customize industrial resources, stimulate analytics, and discover ideas from relevant data for research. MSIN0023's target market consists of a broad range of companies within a broad range of sectors, including aerospace and security. For example, Alibaba Cloud deploys MSIN0023 in manufacturing in China. Also, Amazon Web Services collaborate with Siemens. From our research and the help of Quit, we were able to find over 20 competing products. For example, the IBM Watson IoT platform is a cloud platform capable of connecting and monitoring IoT devices, equipment, houses, and industries. It helps customers obtain data from IoT apps. The Google Cloud IoT Core provides the ability for users to link, process, store, and analyze cloud data. The Salesforce is a system designed to store IoT data, delivering data in real time.
We have chosen to focus on two specific customers using MSIN0023 and to explore the value it creates for them. The first customer we chose is Alibaba Cloud, which was established in 2009. It is the cloud computing arm of the Alibaba Group and has now become the largest provider of public cloud services in China. The agreement between Alibaba and Siemens was signed in 2018, and MSIN0023 was available for the first time on the Chinese market in the beginning of 2019. This alliance creates value by offering Chinese customers best-in-market cloud solution. MSIN0023 also facilitates the growth of the Chinese industrial Internet of Things. Indeed, integrating the technologies of Siemens with the products of Alibaba Cloud provides a comprehensive framework that includes networking, data analytics, and industrial know-how. This, in turn, allows businesses in China to understand innovative business strategies that are powered by results. As our second customer, we have chosen to focus on the car manufacturing company Volkswagen. Today, Volkswagen has implemented MSIN0023 in 122 of its plants that are now efficiently networked in the cloud. Volkswagen is using MSIN0023 for network automation, production systems, and equipment. Therefore, it allows its vendors and machinery manufacturers to exploit the production data capacity more efficiently. In turn, it permits an increase in the reliability of the dynamic production processes of the company and the performance of the industrial cloud data of Volkswagen. For example, they have access to predictive maintenance of machines measured in advance with programmed maintenance cycles. Finally, the results are also data transparency and analysis, which leads to productivity improvements. It has had great financial impact on Volkswagen. Indeed, after its first cloud production in 2016, its market share rose significantly to 12.3%. As a result, profit margins have increased from 6.3 to 12.3 billion pounds since the 2016 recession.
Ocado is an online grocery store based in the south of the UK. It has a range of exclusive brand products from the Waitrose supermarket chain, as well as from other brand name grocery stores. Besides groceries, Ocado also offers various goods such as toys, plants, and newspapers. Ocado does not have any physical stores and solely relies on being an online business that makes home deliveries. A lot of the success and efficiency of Ocado is due to its factories as well as the personnel and equipment based on automated machines transporting and storing goods depending on when and where human backpackers will be needed. The electronic retailer gets 260,000 orders a week and offers a 99% order accuracy. Ocado's warehouses have a robotic bagging system that replaces some of the human workforce that earlier on had to physically place plastic shopping bags into containers for the orders. Ocado has launched robotic arms for collecting certain items, which transfer items from one location to another without the need for human intervention. They have set out to optimize their warehouses by developing machines that can stack and sort packages in stacks up to 21 boxes tall. The core design principles that drive efficiency throughout their business are warehouse automation, meaning AI and machine learning, customer fulfillment centers using IoT, and as well as data analytics. These key principles have led to a huge success, resulting in over 41% growth in digital sales revenue and 21% in both the group and retail sector. However, profit is decreasing due to heavy reinvestment in technology, as we have discovered through our search on Quid. Over time, more and more groceries will be packed by sensor-guided robot manipulators. They have also two Horizon 2020 research and innovation projects planned called Secondhands and Soma, which will combine state-of-the-art robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced sensors to understand and assist human warehouse workers in real time.
Software is used. Ocado is a technological business at its core and uses a variety of software. The software is an open source software library for machine learning. It is now used for many of Ocado's machine learning projects. One of the first tensor model Ocado created was a machine learning algorithm that prioritizes customers' mail for responses. This helps Ocado to improve its responsiveness and customer service. Ocado also uses its software to predict customer behavior and therefore be more efficient by analyzing order data. Finally, Ocado was able to create a fraud detection model powered by TenFlow and the help of other software to make real-time predictions and therefore avoiding profit loss. Recommendations for future digital strategy. Ocado will be challenged by the partnership between Whole Foods and SmartCart, with SmartCart, a delivery service enabling higher efficiency and quicker delivery after placing order. Whole Foods will be able to deliver to their customer 1 hour after ordering. To face the competition, Ocado could optimize its delivery services as they only offer deliveries 1 day delivery at the earliest. So how can they do this? One of the solutions we found was to make further development on their current use of AI and data analysis. The data analysis will enable them not to have to hold their entire product at every local center. Moreover, a smart algorithm will be used to coordinate routes for driver and schedule their timing most efficiently. So-called supercomputers are used for the purpose of creating smart algorithms. This is where quantum computing will come into play, as it outperforms the current leading supercomputer Submit. This will make Ocado's smart algorithm even more efficient, resulting into an easier coordination in the routes and schedule of drivers, therefore minimizing the time of delivery. Here, we thought it would be interesting to go for more details regarding the quantum computing efficiency. Indeed, the main differences between quantum computing and supercomputing are qubits and amplitude. In computing, classical qubits are used where you have binaries 1s and 0. Quantum computing allows you to combine the binaries. For instance, Google's quantum computer has 53 qubits, which between them can represent nearly 10 million billion possible superposed states. Quantum mechanics uses a related concept called amplitudes. These can be negative as well as positive. By ensuring that amplitudes which represent wrong answers cancel each other out, while those that represent the right one reinforce, making it more accurate.
Thank you for listening by Katrina, Apolline, Ern, and Aidan.